Here I'm going to look at the 9-2 assignment, and we're going to do number 8 together. So if we look at number 8, we see two equations. And again, when we're solving by substitution, we're going to pick the one that's easiest to solve for. In the bottom equation, I see the x all by itself, so I'm going to solve for that. So I have x minus 4y equals 6. I just need to add 4y to both sides. I'm left with x equals 6 plus 4y. So I'm going to take that x value, the 6 plus 4y, substitute it back into the top equation. So I have to bring that negative down. So negative, instead of x, I'm going to do 6 plus 4y, and then plus a 4y equals 3. Again, this was the equation negative x plus 4y equals 3. So that's where the substitution came in. Remember, with this negative, I need to distribute it. So negative 6 minus 4y plus 4y equals 3. And now when I go to combine like terms, I have a negative 4y and a positive 4y. So those cancel, which means my variables go away. So I'm in my unique world. I end up with negative 6 equals 3. And if I told you that negative 6 equals 3, you would tell me that I'm crazy, because it is never true. Negative 6 will never be equal to 3. So when your variables cancel out and you get two numbers like this that are not equal to each other, that is when your answer is no solution, because it is never true. And that is the answer.